have something extremely exciting for you, because I'm on my MCP project, but what I have done is different. So I created a prompt for my MCP to improve my MCP server. So my existing MCP server, I thought, what about building a more exciting MCP server? So I started putting some prompt, and then I had a good idea. I thought, Pierre, you should actually install the ChatGPT app, which I did. That's the desktop ChatGPT app. And then there you can connect your terminal directly inside. So you can click there and you can connect your terminal. And what's really cool with that, it can interact with your terminal or with different applications if you wish to, like Visual Studio Code or another app you have opened. And so I said, okay, now from this MCP, oops, sorry, it's not that one, it's not that one, it's not that one, not that one, not that one. Where is it? Oh, maybe I didn't even open it. So from my MCP server, which is, oh no, it wasn't opened, which is this one, I said, okay, can you improve it? I'm not happy yet with that one, so please improve it. As you have seen maybe in my other videos, I'm using Fastify for that one. I have used Fastify for many years. I really like Fastify. I'm using, classic average libraries such as .env. And then, yeah, Fastify is static. That's for the static files, basically. It's for the schema files we have here. Then I have number. That's just to cast into digit the port number. In case it's undefined from the environment variable, and and so on. And then I start my server here, listening, and then here we have the roots. Nothing too fancy, just the needed thing, just the needed part for our MCP server. And then we have the endpoints, the classic standard endpoints. Again, nothing too fancy, just what we need. And some details about our MCP server. We split into an array here, the string, and we split to create new values based on the comma. So if you are interested to, of course, we can have a look. Tags, you see, every tag is delimited with a comma, and that's why we use split. Of course, we could, split is like the one to create an array from a string with a delimiter. And yeah, that's pretty much it from there. But then the exciting part happens here. So then it's looking in my terminal. I will actually, what should I do? Can I set up? Oh yeah, I will install this Visual Studio Code extension, ChatGPT. And that extension is really smart because everybody knows the normal Copilot extension, but people don't really know about the ChatGPT work with code on macOS. Everybody knows this one, of course, but the exciting one is our ChatGPT working code. And so we are installing that one. Beautiful, now it's installed. And so now what we can do, we can add Visual Studio Code. So I had some files are not needed, like hc.ts. That's like a health endpoint I had in one of my backend API. Can I remove? Yeah, then it removes everything. So maybe what I should do is to close all of the other tabs. Can I? README, oh, okay, the README, I will close that too. Oh, what did I have here? Oh, that was an extension that was not installed, isn't it? Yeah, I will save that one. I will close that one. Here, I will save that one too. I can close this one. I can close my food tracking app too. I can close my YouTube to Medium post script. I can close my backend API SaaS. I can close my GLM, so Generalized Linear Model Data Science project. That's fine. And now I have only this one open. That will be easier. So now if I do add VS Code, beautiful. Bring the improvements into the MCP server code base, test them, and only add relevant changes. No on relevant changes should have irrelevant, my bad, I cannot even, no irrelevant changes should have should no irrelevant changes can be added. Only the important, accurate improvements can be done. Perfect. So now we send it. Let's see how it works, because to be honest, it's the first time I do integrate this way, and I wanted to do it live because it's more funny. It's more fun when we do for the first time together, you know, like otherwise I would know already and it's less fun for you to watch. And security.txt, okay, yeah. No irrelevant, okay. Do you want me? Yes. Yeah, I want you to go ahead and to apply these changes. So we have the return status for uptime, health endpoint. We are actually speaking about health endpoint, you know, with my HC endpoint earlier. So yes, I would like a health. Sometimes you would have health Z endpoint. And metrics, yes. Before it used to be usually ping, and then the health endpoint is normally giving more details about the server. Ping is just like, okay, I ping, the server is responding, good. These days we want something usually more complex than just a ping endpoint, and that's where we will have a health endpoint. So what does it do? Can it do it into, okay, so that's nice. So it's giving me a MCP types MCPTS. I don't have types folder and types file, so that's really exciting indeed. And then that was missing, I would say. Then we have env.ts, really good. env.dist, oh, new variables. And then that's again what we had, and this is the improvement for context roots. So you see, it read actually what I had in my Visual Studio Code. It could read exactly what I had, so that's a good news. I'm not sure if it will be able to write it down to Visual Studio Code. I'm not sure it will have that permission, but I can see inactive here. See there, which is a bit concerning. So let's see if it does anything. No, still not. Oh, yes. Okay, let me stop my alarm. All right, back together. Yes, so it can read everything, but it sounds like, would you like me to bundle into a zip? Oh yeah, it cannot write into the Visual Studio Code. So it can read all of the content because it's relevant. This is what I have in my MCP server. So yes, zip with the new changes, so I can replace from the existing MCP server. Alright, so I can ask actually ChatGPT here if why it cannot write, but I believe not for now. I'm sure there are some functionalities, because Cloud Code can write code, I'm not too sure why here it's not the case, but that's fine. We will just save it in desktop and we will open the file. So let's just unzip that one. Desktop MCP server update. Yeah, updated. That's also one. Beautiful. I will just do CP here. Oh, it didn't unzip, right? No, it didn't. Should have worked. Not too sure why it didn't. I will do a CD. Yes, that's fine. I will just open. Let's see what's into there. I will unzip. Oh, that's why. It's because it's empty. So it didn't give me a correct zip. So that's why I had the error. It's actually a correct error. I was like doubting myself suddenly. Zip is invalid. Wow, it didn't give a correct zip. Normally it would give an actual zip, but not here. We can do it manually. Can you update the files from the VS Code project? Let's see if we can do that. Otherwise we have to do it manually. Planning. Oh, okay, so it's looking auto update code. Yes. Oh, so it can do this. That's fine. I mean, that's good actually. It means it does have the capacity to. Let's see if it fails or not. That's an interesting one. I will close, update, apply it. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. So you see we can, oh, amazing. It's even better than I thought. We just need to ask review and we can use review, you see. And then we have the div here. Oh, really good. I didn't know it was going that far. Save changes. And so if I go blind, like vibe coding, oh, that's really good. So revert. Okay, and the other files, do it for all files. Can it do that? You see, like every day I'm learning something actually. Oh yeah, that's the new changes we have just done actually. So you can write code with the ChatGPT work with code. So every day I'm learning new possibilities. New possibilities I didn't know it would be possible. And got it. If you want me to, I can directly update the code base. So I can just pull yes please. Apply these changes. Do you want me to go ahead? Yes. Alright, you see, everything is possible and we are updating like that a project right away, which is just amazing. Like, life is so beautiful and like imagination is the only limit in there. And I'm someone very creative, so I feel today it's the best day of my life. Beautiful. I love it. I will stop by now, but you can see it works and that sounds just so beautiful. And you see, that's the new files now I'm having, and after I will just test it. I will probably make another video, so stay tuned because I'm going to submit the changes. I will generate a new commit message here. And it's so beautiful. Yeah, we are getting there.